Hi everyone, it's Kathy and I have another journal to share with you. This one seemed to draw a lot of interest, so I decided to make another one very similar to the previous one I made. It's a ring journal, which makes it quite easy if you want to add pages or take out pages, or you want to take out a page so you could write some journaling in there. It's pretty popular, so I hope you enjoy looking at this one. I have those adorable children's images that I just absolutely love, so I use them throughout this journal. The front cover is made with some corrugated cardboard, some cheesecloth, some packing paper, and then of course the gorgeous child's image, a handmade flower. And then you'll see on the rings I've added some fabric pieces, and then the back cover is just corrugated cardboard with some gesso. And then also on the spine here, there's a little mini journal, so you could put some little memories in there. Okay, the inside front cover, of course, has that beautiful child with some book page. This page has another beautiful image with some punched out hearts. All the background papers are some designer paper. This page has a belly band with another cute little image. And then this page is an envelope. Adorable child. Opens up, and then you can see that there's a little glassine envelope with another heart. And inside the bag are several punched out hearts that you can use in your journal wherever you'd like to add them. And the back of the envelope is a tuck spot with a journaling card. And another beautiful image. And on this page, look how beautiful that child is. She's holding her heart. And then the next page is a cute little boy on a glassine envelope. And there's some ephemera in the envelope. And then another beautiful child holding her heart. And then on this page, you see a bingo card, another cute image, and there's a tag that doesn't want to come out. Oh my goodness. These things get stuck with the glue. There we go. And it's just a pretty little flower. You can journal on that. I'll leave that. And then here's a beautiful image in a frame. And then a tag in the background. Just tucked in there. And then another cute little boy. Show the world your magic. And this page is an envelope with a little journaling card or bookmark, however you want to use it. And then there's a doily in the background. And then another cute little boy. The little tag. And then this page Another little girl holding her heart. And at the top you can see there's a little tab. And then in this page, it's a little pocket with the tag. And then another beautiful little girl on some lace, pretty lace. And then inside that is a type of an index card. Just left it blank so you could journal on that. And then a tuck spot with another adorable little girl holding her heart. And then you have an embellished paper bag. You could put some goodies in there, some memories, some little notes. And then another little girl. Another belly band with a tag. Cute image. And then another cute image on a merchandise bag. And inside that is a mini journal. Got a little bag here. And inside that is a trifold little booklet. That's good for journaling as well. And then the other side of the bag is a tuck spot with a little tag. And then another cute image with a little tag. Love is the greatest gift of all. And then another tuck spot with some ephemera or journaling cards. Cute, 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 cute. And then the inside back cover has a pocket. And then in the pocket is this weekly time record, which is actually a mini booklet, mini journal. So there you have my latest journal, ring-bound journal. It is available for purchase. Just contact me at kathykadil@yahoo.com. I hope you enjoyed taking a peek at that. I love those images. Every time I look at them, I smile because they're just so adorable. So I hope you smile too after you looked at it. Please don't forget to leave me a comment. I do appreciate them. And if you haven't subscribed already, I hope you do. So you'll get to see all my journals as I post them. So thank you again for watching. I hope everybody's doing well and having a great summer. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.